Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Ashton Sandy Spring, local and long-distance movers near me. You are eager to start a new chapter of your life in another city or state, far away from a place you called home for so long. But are you looking forward to packing dozens of boxes and getting them ready for the long road trip ahead? We are well aware of the feeling, and we have plenty of experience in moving customers. 3 men and a truck are licensed and insured in a moving company. Regardless of the miles that you need to cover, we will help you get settled fast and efficiently at your new space. Our movers will handle everything from packing your belongings to shipping everything safe and sound. We ensure that you receive damage-free and timely delivery of your belongings. Even if your new home or office is just a few minutes away from your old space, you won't be able to evade backing up and moving out. Instead of wasting your time and effort, let us handle your relocation for you. Our moving crew will streamline your entire moving process. In just one day, all your stuff will get packed, moved, and unpacked at your new space. We'll also get you settled into your new space way faster than you anticipated. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ashton Sandy Spring moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.